Hello children, welcome to the mathematics class. Today, let us learn the concept of subtraction, and I am your maths teacher Priyanka Best. Children, what do you mean by subtraction? Subtraction is a concept of taking away from a number of things. Subtraction is a concept of taking away from a number of things. Children, we use the subtraction sign which is shown on the screen to write the subtraction sentence. Children, let us take an example. I have 16 pencils. I give 10 pencils to Raju. How many pencils are left with me? I will have to subtract 10 from 16 to find the number of pencils left with me. So children, I will write 16 minus 10. So we subtract from the right side. 6 minus 0 is 6 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So children, the difference between 16 and 10 is 6. So 6 pencils are left with me. Now children, let us do some questions given on page number 10. Question is subtract. Look at the first part. 8 minus 2. Here you have to find out the difference of 8 and 2. So you have to subtract 2 from 8. So children, 8 minus 2 is 6. So 6 is the difference between 8 and 2. Now children, look at the next part. 9 minus 8. So when you subtract 8 from 9, you will get answer as 1. 1 is the difference between 9 and 8. Now children, next part. 7 minus 5. Here you have to subtract 5 from 7. So children, when you subtract 5 from 7, you will get answer as 2. 2 is the difference between 7 and 5. Now children, next part D. 8 minus 3. Here you have to subtract 3 from 8. So when you subtract 3 from 8, you will get answer as 5. Now children, look at the next part E. 6 minus 0. So when you subtract 0 from 6, you will get answer as 6. Now children, let's move on to the next topic. Subtraction of tens. Children, let us understand this topic with some examples. Look at the first example. Here you have to subtract 20 from 30. So children, we can write 30 as 3 tens and 20 as 2 tens. So 3 tens minus 2 tens is equal to 1 10. Children, now 1 10 is equal to 10. We can write it as 10. Now look at the next example. Here you have to subtract 40 from 60. So children, we can write 60 as 6 tens minus, now we can write 40 as 4 tens. So when we subtract 4 tens from 6 tens, we'll get the answer as 2 tens. 2 tens is equal to 20. Now children, let's do some questions given on page number 10. Question 5, fill in. Look at the first part. 3 tens minus 1 10. Children, when you subtract 1 10 from 3 tens, you will get answer as 2 tens. And 2 tens is equal to 20. Now look at the B part. Here you have to subtract 1 10 from 2 tens. So children, when you subtract 1 10 from 2 tens, you will get answer as 1 10. And 1 10 is equal to 10. Now C part. 5 tens minus 3 tens is equal to 2 tens. And children, 2 tens is equal to 20. Now look at the last part. Here you have to subtract 4 tens from 6 tens. So children, when you subtract 4 tens from 6 tens, you will get answer as 2 tens. And children, 2 tens is equal to 20. Now children, your homework is do question 3 and 4 of page number 10 in your book. Thank you.